Need to stop your boosted post on Facebook and don't know how? Let me show you the easiest and quickest ways to do it. Hi, I'm Jave. In this video, I will show you how you can easily remove boosted posts on Facebook. There are two ways to do it and I'll show you both of them. Before we start, have you noticed how easy it is to boost your post on Facebook but not as straightforward when it comes to stopping the post? To boost a Facebook post, all you need to do is click on the attention-grabbing blue Boost Post button to get started. Compare that to Twitter, which requires an additional step before seeing the Promote Your Tweet button. Facebook has made it super easy for business owners, especially small businesses, to start advertising with them. And there's a reason why. Facebook generated over $69.7 billion from advertising in 2019. They have over 8 million advertisers and the majority of them are just small business advertisers like you and me. For small businesses, most of them do not engage any agency and simply use Facebook's self-service platform to run the ad on their own. Facebook's self-service platform is very powerful and has a lot of features. Same as any self-service platform, when you're not familiar with it, then you might not know how to stop spending money on it. Now, if you have boosted your Facebook post and now want to stop it, let me show you the easiest and quickest ways to do it. Alright, first, let's go to your Facebook page. Alright, now we are at your Facebook page. All you need to do is go to your left hand side, click on the Ad Center, click on All Ads. You should be able to see the post that you have just boosted. So all you need to do is click on View Result. And then, this is the ad that you have selected. Over here, just click on the three dots and then select Delete Ad. Are you sure you want to delete your ad? Confirm. Now Facebook will be deleting your boosted post. Okay, you can close this. That's it. Refresh your page and you realize that the ad that you have boosted is now gone. You have removed or stopped boosting your post. Another method to remove boosted posts is to go to your Ad Center, look at your All Ads. If you can't see your boosted post over here, you can click on Ads Manager. Once you are at Ads Manager, you can very easily delete any post that you have boosted. The post that you have boosted will be shown over here. All you need to do is just select the post and then click on Delete. They will ask you if you want to delete this campaign. Well, campaign is actually a boosted post. All you need to do is just click on Delete and that's done. You have now deleted your campaign, which is your boosted post. If you want to learn how you can get more customers for your business, subscribe to my channel where I will share tips and tricks about online digital marketing. Don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you so much for the thumbs up. Alright, now it's your turn. Will you be using Ad Center or Ads Manager to stop your boosted post on Facebook? Comment below and let me know. I read all comments. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. Take care and see you again.